How to screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you head on straight to the Snapchat app, please make sure that your Snapchat application is up to date. So just visit your App Store or your Play Store and see if your Snapchat is updated. Once you have done that, let's just head on and open Snapchat right here. And from here, let's swipe to the right to go to the chats page. So for example, I want to take a screenshot of this new snap. So what I'm going to do first is to refresh this page 3 times. So just drag it down the page and that should refresh the page. Once you have done that, let's just have our phone to be on airplane mode. So to do that, let's just swipe down from this corner right here and click on this airplane icon, and that should set our iPhone to an airplane mode. And make sure that you have disconnected from your Wi-Fi as well. So just tap on your Wi-Fi and that should turn off your Wi-Fi connection. Once you have made sure that your control center looks like this, just go back to Snapchat and click on the new snap to open it, and now you take a screenshot. So just click your power button and volume up button simultaneously, and now you have took a screenshot. Now don't worry because that says screenshot, but that will just not reflect on the other device. Now the next thing that we're going to do is to remove Snapchat from our taskbar. So to do that, just drag your home button upwards and remove the Snapchat from taskbar by swiping up, and that should remove that. Now next thing that we're going to do is to uninstall Snapchat. So just press and hold Snapchat over here, click on remove app and click on delete app. Delete. And the next thing that we're going to do is to just simply reinstall Snapchat over here. So I'm just gonna turn on the Wi-Fi back. Search for Snapchat and reinstall the app. Once you have reinstalled the app, let's just head on and open it again. Just log into your account and go back to your chats page, and as you can see, it does not say that I have screenshotted their snap. So let's just open it again and see that it is the same snap that we screenshotted. So that is how you can basically screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing.
So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.